We're about to do a video otoscopic exam of this patient's ear. We want to determine if there's wax in the ear. We want to determine the health of the ear canal and the eardrum. So as we take our camera into this ear canal, the first thing we come across are all these little hairs. Those hairs are called cilia, and the goal of those hairs is to collect dirt and dust and expel it from the ear canal. They act kind of as a conveyor belt to just expel that from the ear. As we go down farther, we can see there's just no evidence of wax in this ear canal. Wax can be a yellowish, brownish substance that is produced typically at about the halfway point and outward, but we don't see any as we go down here. Our eardrum is pictured down here. It looks nice and healthy. In this upper left quadrant, we see one of the bones of the middle ear leaning up against that eardrum, and that's a good indication that the eardrum is attached, that it's going to be mobile. Down at the bottom left quadrant, we see what we call the cone of light, and that's a landmark that we look for. It indicates that the eardrum is pulled taut and it's reflecting light back to us. On our poster, you can see we looked down the ear canal to the eardrum. This one is picturing a right tympanic membrane or eardrum, whereas I was looking in the left one. So the bone of the middle ear is actually in the upper right quadrant, and the cone of light is in the bottom right quadrant, but they are both pictured, and that looks good. So his ear canal is nice and clear, and we're ready to do a hearing test.